You want a small amount in this. Remember that these are really quite thin. Large amount on that. Now, let the silicone start to settle, and so try and fill these both up quite quickly, and then the bubbles will pop and it will settle. Gently go around and just push this into all of the detail, into the flashing. So that is higher than the actual thing, than the actual sculpture. So I know when I scrape off, there will be excess on that. Now with this one, I'm just going to fill it. And this, put that there. So with this one, with a wet finger, just go around and smear everything with some silicone. Now this is because cap plastic sticks to cap plastic. So if there's no silicone lubricant on this, it's going to snag and tear the cap plastic. So you want this entire thing to be wet with silicone. Right, so that's it. So it doesn't have to be overloaded, just enough for it to be wet. Now this, what I want you to do is rotate it right the way around, coating the entire mould. And what this does is it's going to get into all the detail. Now do it like this, you can see. And you are completely covering the entire thing. Yeah. So once you've got the whole thing covered, what you need to do, hold this with one hand. So what you don't want is it to drop. You can see where the sculpture is, like the start of the form of the sculpture. Just make sure the whole thing is covered. And then also remember which way it goes as well, because you don't want to drop it in upside down. Right, now that that's covered, gently let it slide in. And don't put too much pressure in, just let it settle. If you put too much pressure, you can trap bubbles in there. Now at this point, like scraping a Bondo, even pressure, one swoop, and that's what you want. Yep, so right, you've done that. You come back to this, starting to overflow, and come out that edge that we put on. So now the excess is coming out.